Come test drive the 2021 TT. Iconic in its looks, legendary in its performance, there is no room to misinterpret what the TT line is designed for. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.